Welcome to Sriram's IAS. The topic for today's discussion is State Information Commission. The Supreme Court has taken a serious note on the delay in the appointment of the State Information Commissioners. The State Information Commissioners, the post of the State Information Commissioners in all the states are lying vacant. Okay? So the Supreme Court on January 7th, 2025 has directed all the state governments to expedite the process of appointment of state information commissions. So despite the Supreme Court's directives, and large number of pending cases, large number of pending appeals, the state governments are reluctant to appoint, or the state governments are unwilling to appoint the state information commissioners in violation of the spirit of RTI Act of 2005. So, the state governments are unwilling or reluctant. So, in violation of the spirit of RTI Act 2005. So, RTI appeals are piling up because all the posts of the state information commissioners, including the state chief information commissioner, are lying vacant. Okay, so the Supreme Court has passed directives to appoint the state information commissioner. So the government, it is the prerogative of the government, or the government is competent to appoint the information commissioners. So the State Information Commission for the state of Telangana has been lying defunct since 2024. Okay, so it is the prerogative, or the government is a competent authority to appoint the information commissioners. It invited applications for the post of the State Chief Information Commissioner or Information Commissioners in July 2023 and June 2024 and received around 200 applications, but the government has not taken any decision so far. So let us try to understand the State Information Commission and the Central Information Commission. Okay, so the Central and State Information Commissions are statutory bodies established under the RTI Act 2005. So it is a statutory body. It is a statutory body formed under the Act of Parliament, that is RTI Act 2005. So what is the composition? The Central Information Commission and State Information Commissioner has Chief Information Commissioner at the central level and State Chief Information Commissioner at the state level. Okay, and other information commissioners not more than 10. Okay, so at the Central Information Commission has Chief Information Commissioner and other information commissioners not more than 10. State Information Commissioner has State Information Commissioner and other information commissioners not more than 10. So who makes the appointment? Okay, the appointment of the Central Information Commission is made by the President and State Information Commission is made by the Governor. What about the selection of Central Information Commission? The Central Information Commission is selected, or the members are selected by a selection committee, that is having the Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, and Union Cabinet Minister nominated by the Prime Minister. If the post of the leader, if there is no leader of the opposition, then the leader of the single largest opposition party in the Lok Sabha shall act as the leader of the opposition. So regarding the Central Information Commission, the Chief Information Commissioner and other information commissioners not more than 10 are selected by a committee consisting of 3 members, that is the Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, and Union Cabinet Minister nominated by the Prime Minister. Same way, appointed by the State Chief Information Commissioner and other commissioners, not more than 10, are appointed by the Governor. The State Information Commission members, both the Chief Information Commissioner and other information commissioners, not more than 10, are appointed by a selected committee. That selected by a selected committee consisting of 3 members. That is the Chief Minister, Leader of Opposition in the State Legislative Assembly, and State Cabinet Minister nominated by the Chief Minister. So, in case the Leader of Opposition, there is no Leader of Opposition in the State Legislative Assembly, then the Leader of the single largest party of the State Legislative Assembly shall act as the leader of the opposition. Now, what about the tenure? The tenure is prescribed by the central government or age of 65 years. Okay, whichever is earlier. Okay, and they are not eligible for reappointment. That is, both Central Information Commission and State Information Commission, the members, the term is prescribed by the central government or age of 65 years, whichever is earlier, they are not eligible for reappointment. The information commissioners are eligible for respective Chief Information Commissioner, but the total term should not be more than 5 years. Okay, so this is also regarding the tenure. Okay, so the information commissioners are eligible for respective Chief Information Commissioners, but total term should not be more than 5 years. That is, State Information Commissioners are eligible for appointment as State Chief Information Commissioner, but the total term should not be more than 5 years. Okay, should not be more than 5 years, including his term as State Information Commissioner. Okay, so what about the qualification and salaries? So, what are the qualifications of the Chief Information Commissioner and the Information Commissioners? Persons of eminence in personal life with wide knowledge and experience in law, science, technology, social service, management, journalism, mass media, administration and governance. Okay, they should be persons of eminence in public life with wide knowledge and experience in law, science and technology, social service, management, journalism, mass media, administration and governance. And they should not be members of the parliament or members of legislature of any state or union territory. They should not hold any other office of profit or connected with any political party or pursuing any profession. Salary is decided by the central government and cannot be varied to their disadvantage during their service. What about the resignation? They submit the resignation. That is, the members of the Central Information Commission submit the resignation to the President, whereas the members of the State Information Commission submit the resignation to the Governor. What about the removal? What about the removal? Okay. So, the President or the Governor has the authority to remove the Chief Information Commissioner or State Chief Information Commissioner or any other information commissioners from the office under the following circumstances. So, what are the circumstances under which the President or the Governor has the authority to remove the Chief Information Commissioner or State Information Commissioners or any other information commissioners from the office under the following circumstances? So, what are the circumstances? He should be adjudged and insolvent, that is bankrupt. He should be convicted for any offence which in the opinion of the President involves moral turpitude, engages in paid employment outside the duties of his office during the term or during his or her term, deemed unfit to continue in the office due to infirmity of mind or body as per President's opinion, acquires the financial or other interest likely to adversely affect the official functions. The President or the Governor can also remove for proved misbehavior and incapacity. However, in this case, that is the circumstances related to proved misbehavior and incapacity, the president has to refer the matter to the Supreme Court for an inquiry. If the Supreme Court after the inquiry upholds the cause of removal and advises so, the president can remove them. Okay, so these are the provisions regarding the removal of the members of the Central Information Commission and State Information Commission. So what are the functions? Functions of the Central Information Commission and State Information Commission. The Commission is obliged to receive or investigate complaints from an individual relating to the following matters. So, unavailability of information request due to non-appointment of public information officer, that is the posts are lying vacant. So, there is unavailability of information. Denied information, that is denial on information that was requested. Not received a response to the information request within the specified term limits, that is 30 days from the date of appeal or complaint. Believes that the fees charged are unreasonable. Believes that the information provided is incomplete, misleading or false, and any other matter related to obtaining information. So these are the matters. The Commission is obligated to receive and investigate complaints for any individual relating to the following matters. So the Commission can also order an inquiry into a matter if there are reasonable grounds for suo motu power. So the Commission also has suo motu power, that is it can take suo motu cognizance of any matter. During the inquiry, the Commission has the powers of a civil court, that is it can summon or enforce the attendance, it can call for any record or any document before any authority including the court. So these are the powers of the civil court. So all public records must be given to the Commission during the inquiry for examination. The Commission has the power to secure compliance of its decisions from the public authority. The Commission can impose a penalty. Yes, it has the power to impose the penalty on public information officer at the rate of 250 per day up to a maximum of 25,000. It can also recommend disciplinary action against the errant official. Chief Information Commission submits an annual report to the central government. The central government places the report before each house of the Parliament, whereas the State Information Commission submits the annual report to the state government on the implementation of the provisions of this Act. The state government places the report before the state legislature. Okay, so when a public authority does not conform to the provisions of the Act, the Commission may recommend to the authority steps out to be taken to promote such conformity. So the reports at the Central Information Commission are submitted to the central government, which in turn places the report before each of the Parliament, whereas State Information Commission submits the annual report to the state government on the implementation of the provisions of this Act. The state government places this report before the state legislature, and when a public authority does not conform to the provisions of the Act, the Commission may recommend to the authority steps which ought to be taken to promote such conformity. So, these are the provisions regarding to the Central Information Commission and State Information Commission. So, the state governments have to appoint the information commissioners as soon as possible. Thank you.